Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to a brand new week. It is Monday, April 15th, 2019. And boys and girls, the significance of this date today, it is known as Tax Day. So this is the day that all taxes have to be turned into the federal government. So hopefully your parents did that, or we all took care of that and didn't get the deadline. So I know I had to do mine over this weekend. So I just got mine under the time. So today is tax day, so when you go home today, you can ask your parents, did you do your taxes, since today is tax day. Just a reminder that for Friday, there is no school. This is an observance of the Easter holiday weekend. And for April birthdays, we have a birthday to announce. It's Kira Posley's birthday, and that was yesterday on Sunday. So happy birthday, Kira. For our lunch choices for today, we have crispy oven baked drumstick with a cookie, barbecue rib sandwich, and sun butter and jelly, so abbreviated SBJ. And today we have our Paws sponsored by our third grade students.
Okay, boys and girls, it is time for our Paws that we have for our third grade students today.
Don't change your lunch choice. Don't run in the hall. Don't show people when they have their lunch in their hand. Make sure you walk carefully.
Thank you, guys. Good suggestions.
Thank you very much, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. And hopefully we have a great day today. Remember, choices are yours, so make some good ones. And I'll be seeing all of you very soon.